Ready? Get the duck, Max. Get the duck. Good boy, Max. No, Max, not the tumbleweed. Max, get the duck. Get the duck, Max. Max, get the ducks. Max, get the duck. Max, go get the duck.
She came to live with me. It's too much pressure.
Max, get the duck. Get the duck, Max. Get him. Get the duck. Come on, Max. Get the duck. What is it, Max? What is it? What do you got? What do you got? Is it the cat toy? What do you got, Max? What is it? What do you got? What do you got? What is it? What is it? What is it, Max?
Okay, it's recording now. That is Cheyenne Mountain. See those things on top? Underneath there, built into the mountain, is NORAD. That's for our national defense. Go across this way. That's Cheyenne Mountain there. See? We're in the middle of a thunder and rainstorm right now. I'm under my deck by my garage. There's the sky pointing directly at Pikes Peak. See? That's Pikes Peak right there. Yes, dear, that is. Well, that's kind of cool. Some houses in my neighborhood with Pikes Peak up there. Here's my house. There's my girlfriend. There's my Beware of the Dog sign. There's the dog. Handsome devil, isn't he? Too bad you didn't get to see him on this trip. Come in, muy guapo. Welcome to my house.
Bob's casa.
Diane has done all of the decorating. See, we don't have any furniture. See, there's the high ceilings that Joe likes so much. See?
There's the dog.
There's my dining room table. The dog again. Going over here. It's my little bathroom in there. Yeah, that's the laundry room. Kind of dark in there now. Where Diane spends all her time doing laundry. Kitchen. See? Little breakfast nook thing. It's the door out. Fireplace. Turn the fireplace on. Honey, create a little ambiance with the storm and everything. There's the TV. There's a little kennel for the dog. See, there's the fireplace. She does a good fire, doesn't she? Oh, honey. She's so cute. See? See, Lizzie? Okay. Now we're going back up here. See, let me show you the view out the window. One thing you have to remember about the view out the window is they're going to build a house right there, so it's going to go away. That's Pike's Peak up there again. Do. That's Diane's giraffe. She got that in Africa. That's Diane's butt. Let's see how close we can get it.
No.
Zoom way in. Oh my God! It's huge!
The cat. Since Bob didn't get the cat. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty. That's one, and the other one looks just like him. This is our courtesy car. Pretty happening vehicle here in Buena Vista. This is Buena Vista. There's the mountain. It's the happening town. There's Bob, Johnny. There's two kids on bikes. Here's the Morgan Stanley office. Can you see that? Buena Vista, Morgan Stanley. Very small office. Another sign over here. This guy. Can't see it. Anyway, it's on that board. Bob yapping about something. This is me. I'll be your guide around Buena Vista. There's Bob summoning us to leave in our fabulous car. You see our car? There it is. Tumbleweeds in Salida. All over the place. There's a whole tumbleweed factory over here. Now, apparently they're leaving me. So, as your host, I gotta go. This will be the Buena Vista prison. Those nice pretty clouds above it though. Nice mountain views. And look, there's the airplane. Johnny undoing the tie downs. Bob's probably over here. Now we're leaving.